over here back in another video, and today I'm here with
Five Celestial One fan
and
and Spooks,
or as known as Toxic. And today we are going to do the Trust Me challenge.
the dude.
Yeah. The first thing we're going to use is the thing that I'm going to trust these guys with is my nerd glasses. My babies. Alright, so one of you has to put bad on trade. The first one who does it.
We gift it. No, we gift it and you gift it and then we gift it back.
Okay. Let me try to find them. I can't find them. Hold on. I think I passed them. Yeah, I passed them. Alright, there we go. Is anyone going to respond?
No.
SOS!
I'm just kidding.
I know you were.
I'm evil.
Get it back. I'm here.
I am an evil child. Casually gift you blue long back.
I gift you a blue long?
Casually gift blue long back.
No. Just give me back my nerd glasses. That's all you have to do. Thank you.
What's up, peeps? What's up, peeps?
Okay, guys, so that was just a joke. She wouldn't scam me. She's my bestest friend.
Yep.
So that was just a joke. And I knew it was at the beginning when she left because she's too good of a friend of mine to scam me.
And I have a two kind of a heart.
Yeah. And if she actually did scam, you should report. If you actually get scammed in a Trust Me thing, you should always report and block them right after. So Animal Jam HQ is notice of it.
Or just don't do trust at all.
Yeah.
And then after this,
we are ultimate trained professionals. Like we've all got scammed in a trust thing before, ain't that right?
Nope, not me. I've gotten scammed in a trust giveaway. Now to do you trust me?
Oh, I have though. But yeah, you should never trust someone that says, "Come to my den. I'll give you a whatever item you think of," and then right after that, that's going to be a scam. But you could always go to there and start reporting and saying, "Guys, don't trust them. It's a scam." All right. Bye, guys.